Hello and welcome. Let's see how to make raw banana 65. First take raw banana, apply little oil to your hands otherwise stains will come. Peel the banana and cut into small pieces. Immediately put in water so color will not change. Now boil some water with little salt. Add the banana pieces and cook for about 5 minutes. Do not overcook. Pieces should be soft but firm. Drain and keep aside. In one bowl, take corn flour, rice flour, chili powder, pepper, ginger garlic paste and salt. Mix well and make a thick batter. Add boiled banana pieces to the batter. Mix gently so all the pieces gets coated evenly and nicely. Heat oil on medium flame. Slowly add the marinated banana pieces and fry till golden and crispy. Fry in batches. In a separate pan, add little oil and add curry leaves, green chillies. Now add fried banana pieces. Toss well and switch off the flame. There you go. Hot and crispy raw banana 65 is ready to be served with chai. Thanks for watching.